And on pop-ups distorting your browsing. Don't worry, in this quick video I'll show you how to remove all Chrome ads in just 60 seconds. Step 1. Disable pop-ups. Open Chrome, tap the three dots settings sites, pop-up and redirect turn off. Number 2. Block intrusive ads. Now go to ads, enable block ads on intrusive sites. This stops most spam ads instantly. Step 3. Remove notification spam. Go to setting, notifications, turn off any unknown website sending spam alerts. Step 4. Clear adware cookies. Go to privacy and security. Clear browsing data, clear cookies and cache. Step 5. Remove hidden adware app. If you still see pop-up, go to your phone apps and uninstall any suspicious recently installed application. And that's it. Your Chrome is now completely clean. Like the video and comment if you want a tutorial for laptop PC as well.